Hey, my friends. My name is Denise Walsh and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into my new workshop entitled Programmed to be Broke, where we do a deep dive into your current money mindsets, where they came from, how they work, and how they're impacting you today, as well as exactly how to change them. So I'm going to share my screen and we are going to jump right in. All right, so as you see here, we have the word here and then we have the word there. This signifies the journey between where we are now and where we truly want to be. And in this case, we want to grow our financial security. We want to make more money. We want to get out of debt. We want to pay off our house or have cash-free vacations. We don't want money stress. Amen? Amen. And so what we want to do is take a real honest look at where we are now on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being you're living your dream financial life, and 1 being not so much. You don't want to be here anymore. I want you to assess where you currently are on a scale of 1 to 10, specifically in your finances. Okay. Really be honest with yourself because we can't make a change if we don't know what we're changing. And then there is where we say, all right, this is where we want to be. This is when I create a personal vision of myself. I'm 3 steps ahead of where I am now. This is a lot of what I help people do in my work. I help them to gain clarity on what it is they want next. And in this specific instance, it's your finances. Where do you want your finances to be? Do you want to pay off $50,000 in debt? Do you want to pay off your house? Do you want to, what is your goal here, right? What is your ideal financial situation? And gain clarity on what this truly means for you, because everybody's goals are different. But again, if you don't know where you're going, how are you going to get there? So we really do want to assess not only where we are now, but where we truly want to be, maybe in 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. But the reality is that if it were easy, we would already be doing it. You would already be there. You would have financial abundance. You would have your homes paid off. You would go on vacation every year. You would have money coming in when you sleep. It's happening all around the world. It might as well happen to you, but it's not, right? So if it's not, then why not? And this is where self-sabotage comes in. There's a lot of reasons why on the journey towards our goals, we shrink back to the place I like to call here. It's where we are now, even if we don't like it. Here is our normal. It's what we expect out of life. And so whether it's fear of what if I do succeed, or what will they say, or how does this work, and I'm not sure if I can do it, self-doubt, the comparison game, lack of clarity, maybe you need to learn skills, the how, and learning you don't know how to actually make these things happen, relationship struggles, living in drama, limiting beliefs, resentment, anger, emotional energy. Maybe you just don't have enough energy at the end of the day to create a second stream of income and make your dreams come true. And so there's a lot of life stuff that happens on the way from here to there. And so there's a couple things that we can do. We can have a clear vision of the future that pulls us through the hard stuff, because the reality is there's going to be some hard stuff, right? That's just part of life. But you can move through it if you know what your goals are and why you want to get there. But the other alternative is to level up your here. What does this mean? It means to create a new normal. So when you do backslide back into your old habits, maybe those old habits or your old normal isn't that bad. What if your normal is an 8 out of 10? What if your normal is you pay off your credit card every month? What if your normal is that you don't overspend because you live within your means? You know what I mean? I think the thing is, you guys, is that we are always going to revert back to what we expect out of ourselves and the world. And so instead of trying harder to get where we want to go, why don't we change what we expect, right? Level up our here. And in my new program entitled Programmed to Be Broke, I share with you how you can level up your here, how those expectations are created and kind of programmed in our minds and bodies to begin with, and then exactly what you can do to change it. I don't know about you, but finances like domino effect and impact so much of our lives. If you've got your finances in order, when you're living in abundance and you've got money flowing from multiple streams coming to you and through you easily and effortlessly every day for generations, life's a little bit easier. I say when you are financially secure and abundant, you can live in the world of dreams because you have brain space to ask yourself the question, what do I want? And what are my gifts and passions? And how can I give back into the world? Those who are living in scarcity, living without financial means, are often living in the world of drama. There's lots of anxiety, sleepless nights, self-doubt that come when you don't know how your needs are going to be met. And so in my workshop, Programmed to Be Broke, I share with you exactly how to level up your here, how to reprogram those expectations so you no longer are self-sabotaging yourself and like snapping back to those old habits, so you really can easily and effortlessly hit new financial goals. I just created that program into an e-course for you so you can purchase 4 hours of content plus 4 bonuses, including powerful hypnosis and daily exercises that you can do consistently to help with that reprogramming so you see lasting change. Check out denisewalsh.com. The link is in the description box below so you can catapult your life and create a total money mindset transformation. Let me know what you think about your money mindset and how you either have shifted it in the past or what you've experienced along these lines. I'd love to hear that in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.